So over here is the kitchen and the dining room. Everything is open, huge. In order to create this huge opening, we had to install CD
You're still working on it.
because if you choose a regular beam, it's have to be too big and then it's just gonna be hard. So we're about to finish with all the framing and we're gonna move on to plumbing and electrical.
This is the rooms, master bedroom, another bedroom with the bathroom inside, and we also have separate ADU.
So around like 300 square feet, I guess?
Yes, exactly 300.
Still a few repairs here. And this wall, for example, this wall was existing. And you can see we're gonna repair everything.